name is Carmena. This is the 8C class, and I want you to introduce my students.
Hello, my name is Dumitru.
Hi, my name is Florin.
Hello, I'm Victor.
Hi everybody, my name is Julian.
My name is Jimmy.
Hi, dear friends, I'm Alex.
Hello, my name is Manu.
Hi, my name is Beatriz.
Hello, my name is Elena.
Hello, my name is Loredana.
Hello friends, my name is Alice. Hello, I'm Christina.
Hi, I'm Felin.
Hi, I'm Timo.
Hello, my name is Elisa.
And Elisa wants to speak about her favorite subjects.
I like English language, Romanian language, history, chemistry, and geography. I like English language because it's a language spoken to all country. I like chemistry because we have many experiments. I like Romanian language because it's my native language. My school is very beautiful and it has a very beautiful which I invite you to read. We love you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.